Welcome to your 3.3 Conditional Probability Events Involving AND. The student will be able to review the definition of conditional probability, examine experiments in which a conditional probability is computed using the formula, compute conditional probabilities to solve problems. Sometimes the probability of an event must be computed using the knowledge that some other event has happened, or is happening, or will happen. The timing is not important. This type of probability is called conditional probability. Conditional probability. So for an example, this is our formula. Let's say we're looking at the probability of B, conditional probability of B, and we're told that event A has already happened. We would use this formula. You find the probability of B and A together, and you divide it by your given. Okay? So let's do some examples of what this looks like. So here is my sample space. I have all these numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a single number is going to be selected randomly. We're given a couple of events. Event A says that the selected number is odd, and event B says that the selected number is a multiple of 3. So the odd numbers I have available to me are 3, 5, 7, and 9. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, and 9. So remember, the conditional probability of B is B and A on top divided by A on bottom. Okay, so for example, I have what is the probability of event B? Okay, so probability of event B is that it's a multiple of 3. I count up how many total I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers, and there are 3 of them. So it would be 3 over 8. Conditional probability of A, there's 4 over 8. This simplifies to 0.50. The 3 over 8 simplifies to 0.375. The probability of A and B, what is the chances of it being odd and a multiple of 3? Well, there are 2 of those. So 2 over 8, which is also 0.25. Then it says find the probability of B given A. So A goes on bottom, B and A go on top. So B and A, we already found was 0.25. And the given A is 0.50. So 0.25 divided by 0.50, I get 0.50. So there's a 50% chance if you're told, if you're given that it is an odd number, that it's going to be a multiple of 3. For this guy, it's saying find the probability of A, and you're told that it is B. So I'm told, so A and B go on top, 0.25, and B goes on bottom. So I do my 0.25 divided by my 0.375, and I get 0.667 as my percentage. So on this second guy, all I'm doing is moving the formula around. So for this one right here, I have the probability of A and B over the given, which was B again. Okay, so given is always on bottom. Given a family with 2 children, find the probability that both are boys, and you're told that at least one is a boy. So if I know how many of these guys already have a boy in them, there's 3. See, I've identified that as my sample space. So probability of A and B, and then my given goes on bottom. So my given is 3 over 4 over 1 over 4. So 0.25 divided by 0.75 I get 0.333. So if you're told that the family has 2 children and that one of them is a boy, what are your chances that the other one is going to be a boy? It's a 33% chance. Family with 2 children, both are girls, given at least one is a girl. So I'm told that I have 1 girl. My sample space was boy, 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 girl, girl, boy, girl, girl. So probability A and B, probability of A. There are 3 girl options over one that has both of them being girls. If I were to divide that out, 0.333. Excuse me. And then both are girls, given that the older child is a girl. So on this one, there's only 2 where the older child is a girl. So it would be 2 over 4 and then 1 over 4, which is 1/2 or 0.50. A single card is to be drawn from a standard 52 card deck. Given these certain events, the selected card is an ace, the selected card is red. Find the probability that it's a red card. There are 26 red cards in a deck, which is 0.50. Find the conditional probability of B given A. So on top I have B and A. On bottom I have just A. So how many aces are red? There are 4 out of 52. And how many, 2. And how many aces are there in a deck? 4 over 52, which simplifies to 0.50, 50% chance. So if you're told that your card is going to be an ace, 50% of those will be red. That's it for your notes. This is your homework, page 752, 1 through 12 all. Make sure to show all your work, and you can check your answers on the answer key when you're done. Thank you.